Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers in men, but here's the problem. Many men don't realize they have it until it's too late. Why? Because the early signs are easy to miss or ignore. The truth is, catching prostate cancer early can make all the difference. In fact, early detection can save your life. So, what are the warning signs you should never overlook? Stick around as we reveal the 6 early symptoms most men miss and what you can do to stay ahead of the game. Frequent urination, especially at night, is one of the most common early signs of prostate cancer. This happens because an enlarged prostate can press against the bladder, reducing its capacity and making you feel like you need to urinate more often. Even if you haven't had much to drink, you might find yourself waking up multiple times during the night to use the bathroom. While this can also be caused by other conditions like an overactive bladder, it's important to pay attention if it becomes a regular occurrence. A weak or interrupted urine flow is another key symptom. When the prostate grows, it can squeeze the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of your body. This can make it harder to start or stop urinating, or cause your stream to become weaker than usual. You might also notice that your urine flow starts and stops unexpectedly. While this can happen as men age, it's not something to ignore, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms. Blood in your urine or semen is a symptom that often causes concern, and for good reason. While it can be caused by other conditions like infections or injuries, it's also a potential sign of prostate cancer. The presence of blood might be visible or detected during a medical test. Even if it's painless or happens only once, it's important to get it checked out. Ignoring this symptom could mean missing an early warning sign of a more serious issue. Pain or discomfort in the pelvic area is another symptom to watch for. This might feel like pressure, a dull ache, or even sharp pain in the lower abdomen, lower back, or between the hips. While this discomfort can be mistaken for muscle strain or other minor issues, it could also be related to the prostate. If the pain persists or worsens over time, it's worth discussing with your doctor to rule out prostate cancer or other conditions. Erectile dysfunction, or trouble getting or maintaining an erection, can be linked to prostate issues. While this symptom is common and can have many causes like stress, poor circulation, or hormonal changes, it's also associated with prostate cancer. If you're experiencing erectile dysfunction along with other symptoms like frequent urination or pelvic pain, it's important to consider whether your prostate health could be a factor. Don't dismiss it as just a normal part of aging. Unexplained weight loss or fatigue is a more general symptom, but can still be a warning sign of prostate cancer. If you're losing weight without trying or feeling constantly tired, even after getting enough rest, it could be your body's way of signaling that something is wrong. These symptoms often occur in later stages of cancer, but can also appear earlier. When combined with other signs like urinary issues or pelvic pain, they should prompt you to seek medical advice. Now that you know these 6 warning signs in detail, let's talk about who's most at risk and what steps you can take to protect your health. Not everyone is at equal risk for prostate cancer. So, are you in the danger zone? Let's break it down. First, age plays a big role. Men over 50 are at higher risk, but younger men can be affected too. Next, family history matters. If your dad or brother had prostate cancer, your risk is significantly higher. Race is another factor. African American men are more likely to develop prostate cancer than other groups. Finally, lifestyle choices like a poor diet, lack of exercise, and smoking can also increase your risk. The good news? Many of these factors are within your control. Now that you know the signs, what should you do about it? First, if you notice any of these symptoms, don't wait. Talk to your doctor. Early action can make all the difference. Second, schedule regular checkups and ask about PSA tests, which can help catch prostate issues early. Finally, take control of your health by making lifestyle changes. Eat more fruits and vegetables, stay active, and avoid smoking. Small steps today can lead to a healthier tomorrow. Let's recap what you've learned today. Prostate cancer is common, but the good news is it's treatable if caught early. Don't ignore subtle symptoms like frequent urination, weak urine flow, or pelvic pain. Know your risk factors, whether it's age, family history, or lifestyle, and take action to protect your health. If you noticed any of these signs, talk to your doctor. it could save your life. Finally, if this video helped you, share it with the men in your life. It could save someone's life too.